you're not going to buy a projector at 2 a.m. You're going to think it more thoroughly through than I did, but ultimately you'll be happy with your decision, because why would you regret buying a cool space star projector that changes colors? You won't regret it. Hi, and welcome back to Chasing Your Sunshine with Helena, where I talk about pretty much everything. So, if you saw one of my other videos I did, you saw that I got these skates, and TikTok, heard about these from TikTok and decided to try them out, which I love them. I use them practically almost every other day. And so far, they've gotten me in pretty good shape. So today, I just got a package, and hopefully it's from the place that I think it came from, which I got inspired by TikTok to buy this. So I'm going to open it with you guys. Why are these so hard to open? Isn't it? Wait, is this shoes? Did I order shoes? Okay, so I love it already. I love it already. I love it already. Like, if you know me, you know that, like, I love to talk about, like, the moon and the stars, and yeah, so I'm really happy. I got a Pluto Dream Light, and you guys are gonna see me plug it in. I'm probably more excited about this than you guys are, but hey, you're watching this video, so you're probably just as excited. So, it comes with a remote and all the instructions. Do I have batteries for it? Maybe batteries came with it. This is without the plastic. Very high tech. And no, I didn't match the white with the white I went to work today. So now, we got the remote. Let's see if there's batteries in the remote. There's no batteries in the remote, hopefully. Hopefully we have batteries. And then we got this box, which, this is the cord. This is the cord. I'm a person that doesn't read the instructions. I like to figure it out as I go along, especially if it's like something this simple where, like, you know where to plug it in, or at least, like, you kind of know where to plug it in. I know where to plug it in, right? Yeah. And then, ooh, it's gonna sit on these things right here. This is very lightweight, very portable. I already love it. Like, I could, like, take this, you know, to a little coffee shop, rent out a coffee shop, take this to a I'm tired, so I'm just gonna show you the product and hopefully it works. Here we go. Here we go. Let's say AAA. AAA batteries. Be right back. It was a success. I have AAA batteries. It was a success. I don't even know if I need this many, but here we go. Let's see. Ooh, if this works. Hopefully it does. Fingers are crossed. But you know it's bad luck to double cross your fingers. So you're only supposed to cross your fingers on one hand. Don't know if y'all knew that. Or at least that's a superstition I heard. So now, let's see. Oh, it turned. Oh, it's so beautiful. I gotta show you guys. Okay, I gotta turn off all the lights. Hold on. I'm gonna show you guys. Horace, look at that. And then if we move it back here, that's, which, let me just show you my ceiling real quick. This is my ceiling. Yes, it creates a nice ambiance, like, in your room. What I would rate this, sorry, I'm just mesmerized. I would rate this probably a 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 9. If we're really looking at that scale. Is it worth the price? I'd say find a discount code. If you need me to get you a discount code, I'll get you a discount code. I'll get you a discount code. Don't worry. I'll find one for you. That works. I came across this and I was like, ooh, this is more me. This is more me. So I'm happy. I'm satisfied. I'm gonna leave them a review. I really like this. You know, is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it. To me, at least, because I know I'm gonna use it. But in conclusion, projector, worth it. Worth every penny I spent. And I keep looking up because the lights keep changing. I'm just, what time is it? But to end this video, don't forget to comment if you want the discount code to get the projector. Not my discount code, but somebody else's discount code. Because again, this is not sponsored. I'm going to go to sleep. You guys are going to go to sleep if you're watching this at this late hour. And you're not going to buy a projector at 2 a.m. You're going to think it more thoroughly through than I did. But ultimately, you'll be happy with your decision, because why would you regret buying a cool space star projector that changes colors? You won't. You won't regret it. I promise you. And it'll be worth the money. Yeah. I love you. Sleep tight, or good morning. And don't forget, remember to keep chasing your sunshine. And love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want a discount code. Okay? Bye. But I really like this ambiance. I think my skin looks so much better. I'm gonna film this. Okay. So it's like midnight. I don't know why I'm filming this. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. As well as let my best friend know that I have a projector and maybe a spending problem.